Up next, again, another one of my very, very talented first-year Calc 2 students, Thomas Hafner.
So, as you heard, this is my own song. It's called Waterfall. I guess I dedicated this to Professor Davis, as well as the people watching, the Engscis watching this after the fact instead of studying for Calc 2. It's about graduating high school and moving on to university. One step, two steps, face inside the door and we're all set. Take a last look back at what's left. Is it just me staring back? And we made a lot of memories. Remember when we went to Big Wave Babies? Remember how we got bubble tea every week? And now I'm talking now. It's time to celebrate. To forget about how we're gonna separate. We've made it this far and we're doing great. When I think to the future, I'm still a little afraid. It feels like I'm on a waterfall, crashing to the cliffside. I just think that I might not want to say goodbye. Like rivers in motion, will we reach the ocean? Take a look around, standing on campus ground. Feel proud, don't frown, in the face of a future that's right here now. And will we make a lot of memories? Will it be just as it used to be? And in 1 year from now, will I talk about it in business or psychology? And now, it's time to make or break. Forget about showers or smelling that great. We are the engineers. Yeah. And we know how to get things done. Dealing with the moves, maybe not so much, but if it's a waterfall you got to cross, then you know we can build a trust. And it's not that complicated. It's just struggle to find the time on my road. And it feels like I'm on a waterfall, crashing to the cliffside. I just think that I might not want to say goodbye. Like rivers in motion, will we reach the ocean? Feels like I'm on a waterfall, crashing to the cliffside. I just think that I might not want to say goodbye. Like rivers in motion, will we reach the ocean? Feels like I'm on a waterfall. Ocean creek without a paddle. How am I gonna handle falling off this waterfall? Like rivers in motion, like rivers in motion, like rivers in motion. I know we